walking down to the beach.
Tonight, you just watch. Tonight, me feel I spend some cash. Cool and events just.
Risking it all, of course. Since the hurricane, the path is not too clear. Uncle Punche tell me he fell down still, so just be careful. Yeah. Since Maria, Hurricane Maria, 2017, you gotta take some serious back roads to get down to the beach. So I'm literally sweating just walking down here. It's really hot. Braids are fresh. Shout out to Kim for the fresh braid up. Just get it. Me and Uncle here just parked up in town, you know. Hello? Georgia's so small. Most of them are one way. See the beautiful mountain. It's raining a little bit, but it's still so beautiful. So I'm just right by the water now. Let's get like a full, better scope of everything. This place is just so beautiful. Even after the hurricane, you know, people are still standing and trying to do their thing. I'm in Roseville right now, so mostly everyone's still at work. Soon it's lunchtime. It's like 11 right now. Had to leave a little early, come down here because we live all the way in Marigot.
Are you doing business without updating your account? Then we are calling all to visit our head office or any of our branch offices in Wesley, Woodford Hill, Campeche, and update your account. Save regularly and keep your account because last by foreign club, mental home, America, anti-baby, cancer shop, Wesley, feedback, color lab, and Roseau Beach, the East Indian River in Portsmouth, Port George, identified by you, the participants. This symposium will be held on I'm telling you. And my good coverage is telling you to give some nice room to it. This is where it all began. Let's just get the
passenger right now. We're pressure this passenger right now. You have to take it right now. The pressure show live for this Sunday. This Sunday the president last the bar. I got enough.
Of the Margaret Cooperative Credit Union Limited, we invite all registered business owners to its follow-up business symposium to discuss the needs
This is views from the backyard.
But I know you really want to just jump up on me. Well, tonight I might be in the mood. Come and behave rude. Anything. Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Come, 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 come. Come. I can't. You see? You see? Leave him, cause tonight I'm in the mood. I want to. So anything you want to do.
And these guys go full speed here around these corners. Look at the beautiful view. Just walking up to the library. Yeah. In the show I got everything, so no complaining. Nice beautiful view. Things are not as bad as I thought after the hurricane, you know. What to expect. Yeah. See the cars coming up. I think that's the chips. Just pulling up for these cars so they don't run me over. Yes, I. Safe? Just walking up by Lynn now. I know in the show what you can say. What do you know about Lynn? I'm out here.
Wi-Fi, after telling them enough people on the Wi-Fi. Fine girl from Tobago, get the money for your Soweto. If I know me, girl, there's no way up. If I know me, girl, there's no way up. For your body, come for your waist. Give it to me, no.
You can grab that and go down to the beach.
Big massive here. With some 10 days. You have to be happy with that.
Okay.
It's the way inside here. I'm a companion.
So Grandpa's the one who taught me how to swim.
They were not disco, you know.
Yeah, I remember it was a disco.
Place I used to have it. You have a jam there, you know.
Endless Jam.
Yes. Place I didn't have it.
So me and Granddad just made it down the beach. Yeah. But that's not your spot then. Yeah. Because you told me everything washes down. Oh. That's Grandpa. And the Jeep. Grandpa, that cave there a long time?
Yeah. How that come out on top there?
Huh?
You are calling people. Yeah, all the night here.
Ah. So me and Grandpa just finished a wicked swim. He's a really good swimmer. For his age. Even as good as me. Anyways, just walking back across. Down now. Grandpa's over there drying off.